Number 10. Eyeshadow. Inmates are swapping MAC with M&Ms for a pop of color on the lids. Just get it wet and rub it on. And with a full bag, you can create any look you want. Cosmetics give inmates a sense of individuality and normalcy in an environment that lacks both. But with limited access, they have to get creative. What's the secret to locked up liner? And how do you curl your hair with toilet paper? This is your body on Prison Beauty Hacks. Number 9. Glitter. Prison might not sparkle, but prisoners sure can.
So there's a reason that I always ask my family to send greeting cards with glitter on them during my incarceration.
Inmates scrape the glitter off cards and mix it with Vaseline to add a little sparkle to their dull days. Number 8. Eyeliner. No liner? No problem. Just grab a pencil and some Vaseline.
And you're going to make a dark colored paste with the pencil.
Then draw it on.
How are we looking?
Flawless. Number 7. Mascara. No eye look is complete without mascara.
And we make it out of the ink from a pen and toothpaste.
Mixing the ink of a pen and toothpaste makes a mascara-like paste.
And we would apply it to our eyelashes with a toothbrush.
Ooh, looking minty fresh. Number 6. Contour. Now you can't cut others in jail, but you can certainly carve your own face. All you need is a pack of pastels. They work surprisingly well for highlights and contours. Work it! Number 5. Eyebrows. Eyebrows can make or break a look. For a makeshift brow pomade, inmates mix instant coffee with water and apply it to their brows with a paintbrush or Q-tip.
Yes, queen. Yes, jailhouse queen.
Hey, you know what they say, orange is the new black. Number 4. Lipstick. You can buy lipstick in jail. Kind of. For a DIY rouge, inmates mix Kool-Aid with Vaseline and apply it to their lips. She is looking oh so kissable for her conjugal visit. Number 3. Curls. Now for the hair. Prisoners don't have access to curling wands, but they do have
toilet paper.
They roll their hair in tight pieces, leave it overnight, and wake up to perfect ringlets. Look at those locked up locks. Number 2. Hair gel. Hair gel can be hard to come by in jail.
Making prison hair gel today.
So inmates slather their strands in grape jelly.
Your hair is perfectly styled now.
It feels disgusting.
Others use it for a more raised look. Number 1. Perfume. As you can imagine, jail can get pretty smelly. So prisoners turn to perfume samples from magazines to freshen up.
Well, I found a perfume sample. You want some? Oh, heck yeah. I don't even care what it smells like. It's gotta smell better than in here.
Ah, cell block number 5. But of course, prison by any other measure still stinks. The life of an inmate is not easy. How do prisoners spend their days? What do they eat? And is it true what they say about dropping the soap? We'll see you in the clink on another episode of Your Body On.